How many hours have you wasted wrestling with React setup, routing configs that feel like a maze, state management that mutates unpredictably, testing suites that only run locally, and deployment pipelines that break at 2 a.m.? Meet your new best friend, the React App Starter Pack. It delivers React Router v6 with nested route guards, Redux Toolkit for zero boilerplate state slices, Jest plus React testing library with coverage thresholds, and GitHub Actions CI/CD pipelines pre-wired for Vercel. Whether you're a junior dev fighting deadlines, a senior architect standardizing teams, or an indie hacker racing an MVP, this pack slashes setup time by 80%. No more Googling Stack Overflow at 3 a.m. Just don't name your components Component 1. We can't help with that. Here's what's inside the React App Starter Pack. First, a React Router v6 configuration with lazy loaded routes and role-based access guards. Second, Redux Toolkit setup with create slice hooks and persisted storage. Third, a Jest plus React testing library suite with snapshot serializers and coverage reporting. Fourth, a GitHub Actions pipeline that auto deploys to Vercel with commit status checks. Fifth, ESLint / prettier rules for Airbnb style consistency. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't a toy template. It's a production-grade skeleton with battle-tested bones. Installing the React App Starter Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add React App Starter Pack. That's it. It injects a complete architecture into your project: routing middleware, Redux store setup, test utils, and deployment manifests. Your next Claude code session picks up the patterns automatically. GitHub Actions workflows appear in GitHub/workflows. Jest configs extend seamlessly. Your AI assistant now understands Redux Toolkit best practices, React query integration points, and CI/CD secrets management. Just don't ask it to fix your CSS flexbox. We're not monsters. This is the last time you'll Google React App Setup Guide. Promise.